Hello, this is Scott Baker with River Trevor Log Homes. We're here today in Cascade, Idaho. Working on this cabin here. We're having to strip this cabin down back to bare wood. We'll get it back in great shape, sanded, Aussie brushed, and then restain it. This gable here, we're gonna put tongue and groove on this gable. We've already got the other gable done. We've stripped this side with a chemical strip. At this point, we have sanded part of this. We're not totally finished here, but we sanded part of this here with an Aussie brush. And then we have our finished gable with our tongue and groove up here. So it's looking really sharp. So you can see our gable up here. We just finished our tongue and groove here. The guys did an excellent job, so it's looking really sharp. So we'll get this home all finished up. It'll look really incredible. So anything you need for your log home, restoration, repair, new construction, feel free to give us a call. And remember, be one with nature in the log home of your dreams.